A kitchen is a place where masterpieces are made, and those masterpieces do require precise measurements. A kitchen scale can help you with that, and these are the best in the business. You can place food items directly on the scale platform of the 6th placed EatSmart Precision Pro, or use your own bowl or plate. It has an 11-pound capacity that allows you to zero out a large bowl like a mixer bowl, which eliminates the need for extra cleanup of a separate measuring bowl, which was the case with the older kitchen scales. There is a 3-minute auto turn-off feature that gives you the time to prep ingredients without losing your measurements. The push of a button is all that is needed to convert between grams and ounces, even while measuring. An extra large LCD means the numbers are easy to read. 5 rubber feet prevent the scale from sliding. In at number 5, we have the Maier Premium. There's a handy auto tare function which helps to easily measure ingredients in a dish, allowing you to cut down on prep time. It comes with a smooth stainless steel platform for easy cleaning and maintenance. The slim design also makes it easy to store in any cabinet while withstanding up to 11 pounds of weight. The easy-to-read digital display features large numbers and measures in 0.01 ounce and 1 gram increments for exceptional accuracy. You can place food directly on the stainless steel platform, or on a plate or in a bowl. There's an optional backlight that illuminates the display for extra visibility, and a convenient weight indicator shows how much of the capacity is left. The MyWay KD-8000 scale is at number 4. It includes a removable protective LCD display cover as well as 3 soft protective LCD display covers which help protect against many weighing messes. It uses Baker's new math/percentage weighing function, which has been a long-standing way for bakers to weigh their ingredients in proportion to flour. The KD-8000 has an improved weighing capacity over KD-7000 and can weigh up to 8,000 grams. It also has a removable stainless steel platform, precise readability from 1 gram to 0.05 ounces, programmable auto power off feature, easy to read 5-digit backlit LCD display, and adjustable backlight feature, as well as much more. Head over to the video description to find out more about the featured products and to find links to buy them. The new Pronto digital scale by Ozeri takes the 3rd spot. It is built with the latest generation sensor technology to ensure an accurate and immediate response for the fast-paced environments, and it is one of the largest in its class to accommodate larger bowls and food items. It can also double as a postage machine for your mail or a scale for your children's science projects. Its large unit button lets you change the unit of measurement with ease, with 5 different units to choose from. The widescreen LCD display provides wide viewing angles and weighs up to 11.24 pounds in graduations of just 0.05 ounces to help you achieve your diet and weight goals. The AccuWeight AW-KS005WS digital food scale is the runner-up in our list. The accurate sensors, with its sleek and modern look, this meat scale never looks out of place. Its digital weight-tempered glass surface can weigh up to 11 pounds accurately to within 1 gram. It is 3 times stronger than regular glass while being easy to clean and hygienic. The blue backlit LCD display lets you know the weight of your item in the dimmest rooms and in any unit of measurement you prefer. There is a zero tare function that allows you to zero out containers when weighing multiple ingredients. There's an auto shutoff function to conserve battery life, and the LCD display will let you know with a low battery indicator. And the best kitchen scale in the business is the Escali P115C. It is perfect for controlling your portion amounts. It delivers accurate and consistent ingredient measurements. The easy-to-read display lets you quickly and easily read measurements with confidence. The display and controls are covered by a shield to guard against accidental spills. The tare feature lets you clear the weight of a container or multiple food items from your kitchen scale. There are non-slip rubber feet that let you feel confident that the scale will not move around underneath you. The low battery indicator gives you an advance warning whenever the battery goes low. The lifetime limited warranty protects this scale against defects in material and workmanship. If you liked this video and found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Press the bell icon to get instant notifications.